Hey, it's Justin,
And Jackson.
and we're gonna have a burping contest. Don't go near it, you're gonna knock it down.
Shit. Shitty-ass motherfucker.
Aren't you allowed to say shitty bastard in front
I
of
said
your
shitty ass motherfucker just a second ago.
Shitty-ass motherfucker.